intervention consists of a presentation of the business opportunities presented by Algeria and the effort made by the Algerian government to develop the attractiveness of investment for our country, particularly in the field of production and services through a global economic overhaul. Also, I recall our willingness to work to improve the business climate, in particular through a structural overhaul of the investment mechanism in Algeria, including the revision of the investment code in order to make it more fluid, simple and incentive. Other measures are being taken to contribute to the establishment of a clear investment framework, allowing investors wishing to produce in Algeria to work in Handarat. In addition, in order to cover the nagging needs of economic, industrial and technological development, and to integrate the new challenges of competitiveness and transformation of our economy, in particular those related to the vertiginous development of digital. Our department supports the organization of the digital professional sector and the identification of value chains, as well as its supervision and support for companies in the digital transition in favor for a smart and efficient industry. Ladies and gentlemen, we attach particular interest to Algerian-American cooperation given its strategic character and the business opportunities that open up to foreign direct investment, particularly to the American companies wishing to invest in Algeria, especially in the areas of production and services. As such, allow me to present you in a comprehensive manner the potential of our country and the available opportunities to you, particularly in the areas of production. In order to develop its potential, Algeria intends to organize under the best conditions the integration of the industrial sector into a global economic dimension. To this end, the Algerian government is fully engaged to the missions of regulation and support of national and foreign industrial companies, large and small. This constitutes the backbone of national industry. It is already working on putting into place appropriate mechanisms to eliminate the weakness and distortions that survive, and with a view to strengthening production capabilities to guarantee the various industrial branches opportunities to access a level of international competition. Algeria is also able to develop investment in several areas such as information and communication technologies, electronic components, biotechnologies, likewise the development of investment linked to energy efficiency, environmental preservation, and the promotion of the manufacture of equipment for renewable energies constitute a real challenge for the Algerian state in the short term. Ladies and gentlemen, to boost production and service activities, Algeria has endowed its legal system with measures that further promote and encourage investment in these areas through its investment mechanism, which provide for a set of benefits granted in connection with the exercise of production and service activities, in particular tax, customs and state exemptions, fair and equal treatment for foreign, natural and legal people with regard to the rights and obligations related to their investments. The guarantees granted to the foreign investors, such as the transfer of the invested capital and the income resulting therefrom, as well as the recourse to arbitration bodies in the event of a dispute. Likewise, the new system is force gives foreign investors the possibility of carrying out production activities of goods and service without the obligation of association with a local party. This implies that in Algeria, a production or service company can be made up 100% by foreign capital, with the exception of a few activities of particular nature. This remains subject to a national resident shareholding participation of 51%. These are activities relating to mining and hydrocarbons, defense industries, railways, ports and airports, as well as pharmaceutical industries, with the exception of investment related to the manufacture of innovative essential products with high added value, requiring complex and protected technology intended for the local market and for export. Also, and to redefine its industrial policy, Algeria has put into place a legislative and regulatory framework to provide the country with a real industry in the fields of automotive, electronics, household appliances. This arrangement to grant preferential treatment for the benefits of investors who achieve to required integration rates in the area, and which relate to reductions and exemptions in the field of VAT and customs duties. We expect from our American partners a transfer of know-how and technology, but also the possibilities of moving up in the sectors and opening up export prospects. Finally, I remain convinced of the existence of many investment opportunities in Algeria, and I hope that in the near future American industrial projects will emerge. These are the elements that I wanted to share briefly with you, reiterating my warm thanks to the organizers of this conference for giving me this opportunity to take part, while wishing you every success. Thank you for your attention.